Hi guys! In this video, let us go through a 2021 PSLE tag question. Do note that this may not be the exact phrasing of the question in the paper. Before we start, it makes my day if you could give a little thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Let us see the question in detail. The figure below shows an empty rectangular tank measuring 55 cm by 20 cm by 30 cm. So at 2 p.m., tap X was turned on to fill the tank with water and it flows at a rate of 4.2 liters per minute. After 5 minutes, so after 5 minutes will be 2:05 p.m., tap Y was then turned on to drain the water from the tank. Then at 2:15 p.m., the tank was half filled with water. So at 2:15 p.m., the tank is already half filled with water. The question asks us, part A, what was the rate of flow of water from tap Y? And part B, what fraction of the tank was filled with water at 2:30 p.m.? So tap X will take an indication from 2 p.m. to 2:15 p.m., which is 15 minutes. So during these 15 minutes, the rate was 4.2 liters per minute, which means tap X have an inflow of water for a total of 4.2 times 15, which is 63 liters of water. And so the question tells us that it was half filled with water. So how much is this half filled with water? How many liters? So we'll take half multiplied by this 55 times 20 times 30, which is from the dimensions of the tank. So you get 16,500 cubic centimeters, which is equivalent to 16.5 liters. So during this amount of time, there is water flowing out from the tap Y as well. So how much is this? So it will be 63, subtract away 16.5, you will get 46.5 liters. And this is the amount of water that is drained out from tap Y. Because at 2:15 p.m., only 16.5 liters was left in the tank. So that means some water has been drained out. So this tap Y, if we take an indication from until 2:15 p.m., it means that it has been open for 10 minutes. So during these 10 minutes, 46.5 liters of water was drained out. So that means per minute wise, we will divide it by 10 and we'll get 4.65 liters of water. So this is the rate of flow of water from tap Y, which answers our part A. So we have seen from our previous answer from part A that tap Y drains out 4.65 liters per minute and water flows in from tap X at 4.2 liters per minute, which is from the question here. So this means that in 1 minute, we have a net draining out of 0.45 liters. And so we get that from 4.65 subtract away 4.2, which is 0.45 liters. Because tap Y drains out at a faster rate than tap X. So in 15 minutes time, because the question wants us to calculate for part B until 2:30 p.m., so it will be 15 minutes. How much water is being drained out? It will be this 0.45 liters times 15, and you'll get 6.75 liters. So this is the amount of water that is being drained out within these 15 minutes. Then at 2:30 p.m., how much is the tank now filled? We'll take 16.5 liters, subtract away this amount of water that is being drained out. So we'll get 9.75 liters. And this 16.5 liters is actually what we calculated in the previous part A, using the half times 55 times 20 times 30 from the dimension of the tank, you'll get 16.5 liters. So because we need to find fraction of the tank, so we need to calculate the total capacity of the tank. So total capacity of the tank will be 16.5 multiplied by 2 because it says half filled with water, right? So the total capacity will be 33 liters. So now we can calculate the fraction. Fraction of the tank will be this 9.75 liters divided by the total capacity of the tank, which is 33. And if you simplify it, you should get this 13 out of 44. And this gives us the answer for part B, the fraction of the tank. And this is the end of this video. See you.